Hey everybody. No, I am not sitting in a model home at a luxury subdivision, nor am I sitting in a high-end furniture store. I am sitting in my new listing at the Villas of Grand Glaze. Everything has been redone. It is going to stun you. Come check it out. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa, all on one level, is 1,500 square feet with an oversized 2-car garage and a walk-in crawl space underneath for lots of extra storage. The HOA dues here are very low and the roof was replaced less than a year ago. I don't want you to miss any of the updates because they run throughout the whole villa, from the flooring to the countertops to the lighting to the paint to the window coverings to the appliances. Everything has been replaced. You will be so impressed. You will love this maintenance-free decking and this covered screened-in porch, which also allows you for a great view of the fountains. Plus you can see the docks. You can almost see the pool from here. For more information or book a private showing, contact Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355.